So, as you can see, my backyard is pretty big. And the problem is, anyone that comes up to my backyard through my rear gate, I have no way of knowing that they're here. And on top of that, as we drive up or walk to the back side of my shed, we've got no lighting. And to top that off, to make things a little bit more difficult, I don't have any power up here. So my options are, I run a whole new power circuit, I get an electrician in, we wire it up to another switch, or Reolink have an awesome solution, and that is this. So Reolink have a solution that will fit all those needs that I've just discussed. One, I've got a camera so I can monitor my backyard. Two, I've got lights, so any detection that comes on at night, the lights are going to come on automatically, light up my whole shed, be able to drive in perfectly, and it's all inside this box. So all we need to do is mount it up on the shed. So let's get it up. Boom, and just like that, the camera is now installed. How cool is that? Doesn't get any easier than that for camera installation. Throw it at the wall, bang, it's mounted up. Now all we need to do is download the app, set it all up, and now we have full monitoring, security, and lighting with no power supply. And all of that is subscription free with no extra monthly fees whatsoever. That's it, one-off fee. How good is that? You don't get that with many security cameras these days. Now, how cool is that? The Reolink is all installed, it's all set up. It's monitoring from my rear gate, so from the rear of my property, and it monitors right up to a point about here where I'm sort of pointing now, which is 180 degrees of monitoring. On top of that, we've got our floodlights that come on at night, so we're going to check them out tonight and see how they work, see how much they light up the area. And we've all done it power free, so we haven't had to run power points, we haven't had to run extra leads or extension leads or anything like that. It all runs off a solar panel, which is all mounted to the unit. So the whole unit is an all-in-one security system. You can do monitoring, you can do alarms. So it pings you on your phone, lets you know that there's some movement going on. You can bring it up straight on your phone, you can check it, look at it, and then you can even speak directly to anyone that's in your backyard. So it can be helpful if you're trying to direct someone in. It can also be very helpful if you want to deter someone. On top of that, there's an alarm button. Audible alarm, hit the button. How cool is that? Now, if that doesn't deter someone looking up to the camera, then that'll be good. So let's try something else here. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
So now we're going to echo of the camera picking up my voice right next to it. Anyway, you can see how it works. I'm really stoked with Reolink, have been awesome so far. I've got a doorbell camera which monitors anyone coming up to my front door, packages, vehicles, people, detects a whole lot. I've got my 3-in-1 full monitoring flex system on the front of the camera which monitors the whole backyard. And now I have the final piece to monitoring my whole backyard and everything we own for a peace of mind. I don't need to run power. It's got a solar panel mounted to the unit, charges throughout the day, runs all night without any issues. We've got monitoring straight back to my phone, no subscription. I don't have to worry about paying any monthly fees or anything like that. It's all free. You buy the system, that's it, one-off cost. I know a lot of people that have these security systems set up and they're constantly paying monthly fees just to monitor their own place. Absolutely ridiculous. And that is what is so good about this system from Reolink. It's a great peace of mind to know that my whole property and my family and all our assets are now covered securely right directly to my phone. Well done, Reolink.